6-place setting capacity with silverware basket, Energy Star compliant and low water consumption up to 3.1 gallons of water, 11.7 L per wash, 8 wash cycles ranging from heavy, normal, rinse, rapid, glass and soak, baby bottle, eco, delay start option by 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours. New and improved spray arm and filter gets dishes cleaner. Durable stainless steel interior. Now quieter, 54 dB, electronic controls with LED display timer. Counts down to end of cycle, faucet adapter included, 15/16. 27 threads male and 55/64 inch, 27 threads female. Washing has never been easier as it is with this stylish countertop dishwasher. This unit utilizes just 3.1 gallons, 11.7 liters, of water for a normal cycle. It comes with 8 different settings which can easily be programmed and monitored via the electronic LED display. The wash cycles range from soak, glass, rinse, rapid, eco, normal, and heavy. The dishwasher is designed for simple and quick installation as it can easily be hooked up to any tap in your kitchen. Keeping the appliance clean is a breeze due to its durable stainless steel interior. There is an auto detergent and rinse agent dispenser for your convenience, and this chic dishwashing unit is designed to fit under just about any type of kitchen cabinet.